All right, you guys, what the fuck's going on with it? It's your boy, Eat That Pussy 445. My top 5 guns that I own. Now, before I get into this video, again, I want to, reiterate this. I cannot fucking tell you guys this shit enough. Firearm safety should always be your #1 top priority, especially when handling fucking guns. You can never be too safe. You know what I mean? You always want to make sure, when you're fucking storing your goddamn gun, make sure that motherfucking chamber is empty, make sure that motherfucker is on safe, and you always treat a goddamn firearm as if it's loaded at all fucking times, you know what I mean? Something else I want to mention before I get into my top 5 guns that I own here is that, all of these fucking guns, of course, like I told you guys before, is 100% total California compliant. You know what I mean? And if you guys own guns, you always want to make sure that your firearms are, state compliant. You always want to follow the fucking law. You know what I mean? Last thing I want is for motherfuckers to get locked up for doing dumbass fucking shit and then not taking the time out to do the research, and knowing what their, knowing what the gun laws are in their particular state. Now, of course, I live in gay ass, stupid, dumb fucking California, where, it's a Democratic state and you got motherfuckers crying with their bleeding ass fucking tampons and shit, you know what I mean? Probably get fucked up in the ass on a daily, nigga, by a fucking dildo and shit, nigga, that they buy from the fucking sex shop and shit, crying like motherfucking bitches and shit. Oh my God, he has a gun, huh? You know what I mean? Like, just, fucking stupid. Something else I want to mention is, listen, man, there's been a couple dumbass, ignorant motherfuckers on my Instagram leaving stupid fucking comments, up on this fucking bullshit, every time I post a fucking gun or whatever, you know what I mean, or I'm at the firing range having a good time, because it's a hobby of mine. Motherfuckers, oh, he's about to go shoot up the Eagles NovaCare complex. He's about to go fucking use Doug Peterson, Howie Roseman, and Carson Wentz as fucking target practice. You motherfuckers should be banned off the motherfucking internet. You guys are fucking stupid ass, dumb, ignorant motherfuckers, and people like you are what make responsible gun owners like myself fucking look bad. You know what I mean? Shit like that is the exact reason why, motherfuckers get scared, nigga, and they fucking bleed from their tampons every time somebody, has a gun case and they're going to the fucking firing range. Motherfuckers cry like little bitches and shit, you know what I mean? Motherfuckers like you are the reason why, guns get a bad fucking name. You know what I mean? Stupid as fuck. Anyway, let's get on in and jump on into it. Number 1, I've never been a Glock person. I'll be the first person to admit that. I don't fucking like Glocks. I feel like Glocks are just like, there's too much shit that you have to learn with a fucking Glock. Like the fucking trigger is curved like a motherfucker. It's not really fucking accurate, or at least for me, it's like what I'm aiming at and what I'm hitting has to be on par. I don't fucking feel like wrestling with a fucking gun and fucking having to sit back and dissect all this fucking bullshit. I just don't fuck with Glocks. Glocks just aren't my fucking cup of tea. For me, I'm more of a 1911 type of guy, I showed you guys this gun already. This is your Kimber 45 ACP 1911. You know what I mean? Gun's gangster as fuck. Make sure that barrel is empty. Make sure there's nothing up in that fucking chamber. Well, you guys know what I mean. Barrel's empty. Make sure there's nothing up in the chamber. Good fucking shit. It's a badass fucking gun. I'm a huge fan, these things are accurate as fuck, Gangster ass fucking gun. Good shit. Now, I have 2 of them. I just picked this one up. This is a stainless steel Springfield Armory 1911 A1. You guys can see that. This gun is dope as fuck. Little different, you know what I mean? It's a real fucking bitch to take this gun apart and to clean this motherfucker. It was total fucking hell. But yeah, Springfield Armory 1911 A1 TRP Tactical .45 caliber. It's a bad motherfucking gun. And 1911s in total is my shit. I love these fucking guns. So fucking beautiful, man. I love 1911s. This is badass fucking shit, man. Love it. Anyways, moving on. So we got 1911s. Next up, I'll show you my shotgun. You guys already know this shotgun. I showed you guys this one before. This is your SLP, self-loading police. This is your FNH SLP MK1. Takes 7 rounds, right? Make sure that fucking barrel, make sure that chamber is empty. Make sure there's nothing up in that bitch. Gangster ass fucking shotgun, semi-automatic. You know what I mean? Got those fucking 3-inch fucking shells right there. Dope as fuck. Buckshot. It's a dope ass fucking gun, man. I've always been a huge fan of FNH. They make some good ass fucking shit, man. Not really ideal for a self-defense shotgun because this motherfucker's like a, I'm not sure if this is like, I think this is like a 22-inch barrel. I'm not sure, but I don't think it's 22 inches. Maybe 18 up and a half. I think it's 22, but badass fucking shotgun. Not really ideal for self-defense, but I mean, hey, motherfucker. You know, if this is all you fucking have, nigga, you grab this bitch, my nigga, and somebody's coming in, man, you lay the fucking hurt down, my nigga, you feel me? Somebody breaking up in your fucking house and shit, you know, self-defense. You know, this is definitely the fucking shotgun that's going to lay the fucking law down. Again, not really ideal because it has a longer barrel. You more so want to go with something that's 18 or 18 up and a half. But good ass motherfucking shotgun. Fuck with this shit heavy. This is one of my favorite fucking guns that I own, obviously. This is a bad motherfucker right here, man. FNH SLP MK1 shotgun. This motherfucker lays the law down, man. I love this fucking bitch. So that's that. Now, next gun I haven't showed you guys. This is a AR-10 DMR chambered in 7.62 by 51 308. F7.62 NATO round. It's a bad motherfucker, man. Let me show you guys this bitch. This motherfucker got that vortex sight on there, man. You feel me?